What's up, everybody? So I'm about 15-20 miles away from Kingman, leaving Las Vegas. And along the way, I saw a few old abandoned buildings alongside of the highway. I don't know a lot about them at all. My guess is they were probably either an old home and a souvenir slash food and beverage stop. But we're just going to get out and take a quick look and see what they entail. Stay tuned. These old abandoned buildings are right off of Highway 93 going from Las Vegas, Nevada to Kingman. We stopped to get a look. I didn't want to cross the fence just because that's trespassing and I don't want to get shot at. And out here in the Southwest, it's risky. Old buildings. This looks like it's definitely been abandoned for quite some time. Oh, look, they even had an old well there, too. If I had to guess, that was probably an outhouse back in the day. This was probably where they sold souvenirs, food, drinks, etc., road maps, you name it. And over here, I would bet this is the house where they lived in. Probably 2-3 bedrooms. Looks like that was probably a cage for some sort of animal back in the day. Cell tower up there. That explains why I have full bars. Those two guys came over. There's travelers moving from town to town, and they're calling a taxi to get to the next biggest town, which I do believe is Kingman. They're pretty cool. I was a little sketched out at first, but they had a lot of good stories to tell. We used to have something like these back at my mom's place back when I was growing up. And then they took them down. I think it's because me and my brother and sister kept climbing them. Old chimney. Looks like that could crumble any day. That is so cool. Old little well right there. I bet that's where they played tetherball. Or not. That's one thing I love about living in the Southwest. So much to see, and it doesn't cost a dime. Oh, there's a crow. Back in the day, on the way from Las Vegas back to Grandma's house in Phoenix, we would stop here and pick out a cold popsicle and water. Then we'd go chat it up with the locals over there.